How's it going, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to edit photos or assets in Luminar Neo. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So right before we get into the video, I just want to quickly mention that we're giving away 50% off your very first 1-year subscription with Skylum. So you can find the link for that in the description down below. And as an added bonus, we'll also be giving you guys 10 euros off of the many components that you use in Skylum. So this is also achievable with the personal discount code, which can also be found in the description down below. So with all that said, back to the video. So pretty much with any editing software, what you guys would need to do is obviously make sure that the program is open. And to actually import an asset or a photo, you want to click on the top left icon right here. And you should, right off the bat, you should see there's File, and there should be an option to import. So there's also some added flexibility. As you can see, you can add a folder with images, edit a single image, or import albums and whatnot. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So alternatively, you can also click on add photos, and this would bring up your computer's directory, and basically you get to import the assets or photos that you want to edit from there. But in this example, we're going to be using this sample photo provided by the program Luminar Neo. So let's actually edit this guy right here. So let's say that I want to retouch the image, make it look better, basically enhance the image quality, and maybe do some resizing here and there, retouching. So what you'd want to do is once you've uploaded the asset, you want to click on the edit tab right here at the very top. And as you guys can see here on the right side, here's where you actually get to edit. Now, there are a couple of different things that you guys can do to retouch your photo and make it look better. You can add sun rays, you can add a filter mood, and also the cool thing about Luminar Neo, unlike most editing software, is that you get to use the power of AI to do some edits. So what would normally take you a long time to edit in a conventional Photoshop or editing software, you get to do in Luminar Neo in a matter of seconds. So let's say that I want to resize this guy right here, subject into frame. So you'd want to click on body AI and basically play with the slider right here. So if I want to make him look bigger, then obviously you can adjust the slider back a little to make him look bigger, like so. And you can see how accurate it looks. It looks very seamless, looks cool, and play around with it as you will, see which one works best for you. And yeah, that's just an example. And let's say that your client want to have some wedding photos edited. Let's say that they want to look slimmer in the photo. You could play with the abdomen slider right here, making it look thinner. So a quick intermission here. As I've said at the start of this video, we'll be giving away 50% off your very first 1-year subscription with Skylum. And as an added bonus, we'll also be giving you guys 10 euros off of the many components that you use in Skylum. So you can do that with the personal discount code, which can also be found in the description down below. And with all that said, back to the video. So that's pretty cool, as you can see. Looks very natural. And so the normal one would be this, but with the power of AI, you can see that it made him look thinner and made it look seamless, which I think is cool. And the same applies for face. You can make their face slimmer. You can adjust the skin. You can remove shine. Let's say that it was raining that day, so normally there'd be some reflections on their face because of the rain and whatnot. So you can remove that. You can also add some blur. You could retouch, denoise the photo, add a vignetting to the landscape, or the photo rather, I should say. And a cool feature is that you get to do masking properties. Like let's say I click on layer properties right here and go to the masking tab. The cool thing about Luminar is it actually detects the subject in the photo. So if I go to click on background removal, the AI will scan the people or the subject in the photo. And as you can see, the subject is highlighted red. Now, obviously it's not perfect from the get-go, but as we all know, with AI, it's deep learning, so it gets better with time. So you could just do the manual adjustments here. You can highlight the arm here if you want to include that. And you can do stuff like removing the background. So let's actually highlight the stuff that we want to remove. Flora. So there you go. AI detected it. So click on remove, wait for the program to do its magic, and here you go. Now, obviously, you can add some fine adjustments to make it look more real and crop this photo and add it to a different background. So yeah, that's how you guys get to edit with Luminar Neo. So hopefully this video helped you guys out. And if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see more videos like these, we do have a YouTube channel where we do guides like these daily. So if you want to show your support that, you can do so by subscribing to the channel. And lastly, once again, before we end the video here, if you guys are still interested in getting Skylum or Luminar Neo, we will be providing a 50% discount code down in the description below for your very first 1-year subscription. And also, there will be a €10 discount for the many components offered by Skylum and Luminar Neo. So you can do this with the personal discount code, which can also be found in the description down below. So if you guys are still interested, be sure to use the links and the discount code down in the description down below.